Hello friends, today we are learning about the nouns. As we all know, it is one of the parts of speech in English language. We are actually doing a full series as all about the nouns. For that, we are dividing this topic in several subtopics and small videos. Just a few minutes of every day and that will give you full understanding of nouns. So please subscribe to our channel. In this series of nouns, we are going to learn types of nouns, functions of nouns, nouns in real use, noun phrases, plural form of nouns, how they form, noun-based vocabulary builder, interweaving of the types of nouns to avoid the confusion, and common noun errors and how to fix them. This is going to be very informative, so stay tuned till the end of the video. When we think about any language, we come to know that we have given some name to everything we deal with, may it be a thing, person, place, or idea. That same naming word is called as noun in grammatical terms, in every language actually. Now let's see the types of nouns. There are about 12 main types of nouns in 6 major categories. The 6 major categories are specifically by specificity, by countability, by form, by physical nature, by grouping, and by role. By specificity, we have common noun and proper noun. By countability, we have countable nouns and uncountable nouns. By form, we have simple and compound noun. By physical nature, concrete noun and abstract noun. By grouping, it becomes collective noun. By role, we have verbal nouns, material nouns, and possessive nouns. As as its name actually gives us some idea about its nature, about the nature of the type of each kind of noun here. So now let's learn in detail common noun and proper noun. Now let's look at one example. Just take it one example. Okay. I like all movies, but Chava is my most favorite movie. Now, movies. Here, movies and Chava. These are two nouns, right? But movies, when we think about movies, is it only Chava? No. We are thinking about all the movies in this world. So it's a common noun. But when we say Chava, we are actually thinking about that specific movie, that specific movie. So Chava becomes the proper noun and movies become the common noun. It means that common noun is the noun for a category while proper noun is the specific noun in that specific category. It means common noun indicates a broader category while the proper noun narrows it down to the specific thing. When we write movie, there is no need to capitalize the first letter of it. However, when we write a specific movie name like Chava, Kalki, we need to capitalize its first letter always. Now, if we say girl, we don't need to capitalize the G of the girl. But when we say Praniti, then we need to capitalize the P as it is a proper noun. It is a name of that girl. Girl is a category and Praniti is the specific name of a girl. If the sentence starts with the common noun, then it's necessary to capitalize the first letter as per the punctuations rules. For example, movies are entertaining. If we start the sentence with the common noun movies, then we need to capitalize the M of that movies as per the punctuation rules in grammar. Hey, sorry, the spelling of favorite is not correct here. Let's make it correct first. Countable and uncountable nouns. Now let's take another example. I have a few papers, but there is a little information in them. In this sentence, papers and information are the nouns. But see, a few papers. This is the quantifier that is always behind a countable noun. Why? Because of few. But we can count them, right? One, two, three, four, something like that. But a little is a qualifier. Sorry, quantifier that shows the amount of value, like a little information. So, countable nouns uses the quantifiers that denotes numbers, while uncountable noun uses the quantifiers that denotes amount value. Now simple and compound nouns. Simple nouns, as its name suggests. Simple noun means a simple naming word which indicates a single entity, concept or thing and cannot be broken down in parts as the word part. We can't make its means we can't broke it down. Park is a single simple word, right? While as the compound noun is always formed by combining two or more words that indicate one single person, place, or idea. As it is made up with two or more words, it can be broken down into the parts. For example, the noun football. We can break it down in foot and ball, which gives different meanings, right? But when they come together, they give a different meaning, like greenhouse, green and house. When we broke it down, green gives different meaning, house gives different meaning. When we combine them together as greenhouse, it gives a totally different meaning. The naming words of things which we can see, hear, smell, touch are concrete nouns. While as the things that are not able to experience with our five senses but can be felt are abstract nouns. It means all the things that we feel but we cannot see, touch, hear, smell, right? But if we think about the anger, the love, we know that we can see the signs of the emotions on the face of the people. But can we touch them? No. So they become the abstract ones. Means the emotions are abstract ones. Now collective nouns. Collective nouns are the naming words for a group of people, animal or things. The group of people cannot be called as a team or a crew, or a group of animals are called only as flock of herd. But they have different types of specific groups, like a class of students, that is also a group of people. But the category of students makes them class. A crowd of people, the category of people make them crowd. Crew of sailors, the category of sailors make them crew. Now, flock of birds, but the category of elephants make them herd, category of bees make them swarm. Or a bunch of grapes, while the category of wood makes a collective noun stack. Okay, it means these nouns, they carries the significance of that specific group and the names are changed. The collective nouns are changed as per the specific groups. These nouns mostly carries the singular form, but sometimes when the emphasis is not on group but on the individual members or things, it carries the plural form. For example, the team are arguing among themselves. The team is the collective noun used for group of peoples in a specific. The team are arguing means the members of the teams are arguing themselves. Here the emphasis on the members of the teams. So it uses plural as the team are arguing. Now verbal, material and possessive nouns. Verbal nouns are the nouns which are made up with verbs. It always end in ing. It is also called a gerund. We are going to see it in depth in upcoming parts of our noun series. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel where you can learn more in less time. Gold, wood, rice are the material nouns, means the nouns of the matter from which they are made. So they are material nouns. Possessive nouns are formed by adding apostrophe as at the end of any noun. Now a quick simple exercise. Take a look at the two groups of this. Then try to match them. Now this is compound noun. So compound noun is football. Simple noun is pencil. Common noun is river. Proper noun is Sanika. Countable noun is flower. Concrete noun is material noun is copper. Students is a possessive noun, right? Idea is an abstract noun. City is a common noun, right? And pencil can be a concrete noun, common noun, simple noun. So, what we come to know here is that one noun can be categorized in many types. So, it is called as interweaving of noun types. It will be the subject of our next video. Actually, these interweaving cause more confusions in our minds. So, please subscribe to this channel so you can clear your doubts about these interweaving of noun types in this series. Okay, I hope you understand this topic. Now look at these answers carefully and then think about each noun and its category. Some confusions may arise in your mind, but that's common. Actually, that's a good sign, and we'll work on that confusion in our next video. So please stay tuned and subscribe, like, share to this channel. Thank you.